Gently sprinkle a thin layer of this powder on windowsills, beneath the fridge, under cabinets, in and around garbage cans and any other places where you see ants. During warm weather or rainy season, many people discover ants entering their houses and garden areas. Ants are social insects and live in colonies that may range in size from 100 to million of ants, depending on the species. There are different types of ants, but the most common house invading ants including prevent carpenter, acrobat, pharaoh, and odorous house ants. House invading ants can get into your food, damage property, or cause stinging bites. These tiny creatures can also cause damage to your plant, but you do not need to worry. In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of ant permanently. So to make this powder, first ingredient you will need is borax. Borax is toxic to ants and help rid them from your house and garden. Ants are attracted to it, and when ingested, it ultimately kills them. Contrary to common belief, borax and boric acid are not the same chemical compounds. Both may be equally as effective in killing ants in the home. Just add 1 teaspoon of borax to a small powder. Next ingredient you will need is baking soda. Baking soda is a great choice for this purpose because it can kill ants and is only harmful to pets if consumed in large quantities. Baking soda for ants control is based on the fact that once ants eat it, the digestive acid in their stomach will react with it the same way it reacts with vinegar. It freezes up, creating carbon dioxide gas inside them and they explode. Just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. Last ingredient you will need is sugar. The sugar acts as an ant pair, luring them in. They wind up eating both the sugar crystals and baking soda together. They also carry them back to the ant nest and feed it to the rest of the colony. Just add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Mix all ingredients very well. Gently sprinkle a thin layer of this powder on windowsills, beneath the fridge, under cabinets, in and around garbage cans, any other places where you see ants. Repeat once daily until all the ants are gone. Do your best to keep your floor, countertops, and cabinets clean and free of clutter. Keep food containers tightly sealed, especially those used for storing sugar, honey, syrup, and other foods that can attract ants.